Well, we haven't made a video in a couple of months, so this video isn't going to be nearly as good as what Hank usually makes. But this is just with my phone, so it's the best I can do. And this doesn't really have a specific subject either, I just thought I'd make a video. So, it's a really nice day out, and new faces since the last video. I have no idea what their names are, maybe I can ask Lydia later. Yup. And I know who this is. Walter. Walter! 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 Wake up! Hey! Hey! Yep. Yeah, so just thought I'd pull out the camera and make a video. Since Hank's always busy, as explained in past videos. Yeah, I'll just have to pull out the camera later and ask Lydia what these calves' names are. I don't know. Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. Come on, focus. There's Hank down the tractor. Oh yeah. Oh, hello, Charlene. Oh, oh. Hey, Rosemary. Hello. Hi. Oh. You kitties. Hey, Chuck. Kit. And George and Gus. Luigi, Hank, Reese's, Petunia, Elaine. And we have new kittens too. Should probably be watching this though. Hello! So their names are Tiger, Panzer, and Sherman. After the tanks. Yup. And I don't know which one's which either. Lydia knows though. I'll get Lydia on later. Yeah, I'll do that. Hello, Pepper. Hey, Pepper. Say hello. Hello. Hey, Mimi. Yup. Hello. Hello. What's your name? I don't know. This is Walter. He is the oldest of our 4 calves. Let's see, he's probably 2.5, 3 weeks old or so. I'm trying to think who his mom is. Scratch that idea. Anyhow, that's Walter. You have a herd manager though. You should be able to remember all this stuff. Even though I don't even know their names.
This is Penny. She is
Hi, Penny.
the second oldest. She's 1.5 to 2 weeks old, I'd say. She is Fern's daughter. Next over we have Zinnia. She is a little bit younger than Penny, but not by much. She's Amanda's daughter. And then last but not least is Miss Dahlia. She is Charlotte's daughter. She's the youngest. She's a week and a half or so old. The interesting thing about her is Jerseys have the signature black nose, but her nose is only somewhat black. And then around her eyes, it's kind of like a red, and even her hair color is almost like a red, at least in her face, instead of a brown. She has a little white tip at the end of her tail. So she's a cute little Jersey calf. I don't know what went wrong with her colors, but she's cool looking. I hope it actually stays that way for when she's an adult. I think it'd be cool to see what a full-size cow would look like with a you know, different coloring, but still a pure jersey. And then Wilson said he couldn't tell apart the kittens, so I'm gonna see if I can do it. They're getting all crazy now and trying to explore the place. This is little Sherman.
M4A1 Sherman or M4A3 Sherman or?
I have a hard time between tiger and panzer. Gotta see the close. Okay, this is Panzer.
Panzer 3, Panzer 4. Which one?
This is Tiger.
Tiger H, King Tiger.
Kind of struggling right now with some goopy eye. A couple of them are pretty much over it by now, though. It's something that kittens tend to get sometimes. Anything else you want to see?
Is there anything else you would like to say or show?
Not right now.
Okay. Hello, chickens. Go back where you belong. Where'd you get out? Whoa, there are a lot of you out. You should all be in there. Not out here. Oh, the chicks I think Lydia hatched in her incubator in her room. Correct?
What?
You hatched all these ones?
Yeah, those ones I all hatched.
I'm just showing everybody all the chickens that you have running around out.
They're naughty.
Yup.
So Wilson wants me to do a little bit of a showing, I guess, of what I've been doing in the greenhouse. Of course, it's very much so a mess right now.
And it's very hot in here.
It's warm. We gotta close the door though, because we gotta keep heating for tonight, because it's getting late. It's about 4, almost 5 o'clock actually.
And we need to eat, drink, and be merry for tomorrow it rains.
Yeah, actually, but we need the rain though, so I can't.
Yep.
Can't complain because we had a drought last year, so praise the Lord for the rain. Today I potted up, how many? 64 peppers.
Oh, wow.
So I got these little cups from Greenhouse Mega Store this year, so hopefully they worked out really well, but got some sweet peppers and some hotter peppers. I don't grow any really hot peppers.
So that's what you were doing all morning.
My hottest is jalapenos, and then I have some Italian pepperoncini peppers that I want to pickle. Got some seeds I waited to come up, like tomatoes and some salad green type things. A few random basil plants. And then behind Wilson, I potted up some snapdragons. I'm planning on my second annual greenhouse sale sometime in May. So I'm getting stuff ready for that. My first time growing snapdragons, and
what are snapdragons?
They're flowers. They're kind of tall with little flowers all over them. So I got some of those potted up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I gotta start a bunch of flowers on Saturday. Zinnias and marigolds and asters and those types of things. So that's exciting. But,
cool. Now I'm going up to the shop because there are a lot of new things up here. Speaking of which, maybe last week we were getting ready for spring and chopping, so we were patching up holes in here. And that was kind of improving my welding skills too. But my dad did most of this. I think it was actually out of pieces from an old hay bine. Yeah, because these are just big old rust holes. Anyway, but going into the shop, it's really messy in here, but we've actually been insulating through the winter. Roof isn't done yet, but that wall's all done. This wall's all done. We've covered it up with ash that we sawed on the sawmill. And this fall, I guess winter, we got this wood furnace for free. So that's been heating up the shop all winter really nicely. And we also bought this Delta jointer for I think $100. I'm not sure, but anyway, and my dad restored it. And well, cleaned it up and made it work. And this is the motor that came on it, but that barely had the power to start it, so he took the motor off that old table saw and put it in there, and so far it seems to work, as far as I know. And also, I'm not sure if this has been shown yet, we behind the shop we built this whole new addition, so 12 by 24. And here, let me turn on the lights. There we go. And yeah, so now we have a lot more space in the shop, and this is all insulated and plasticed over. My motorcycle, which is a work in progress, if I'm ever working on it. And a Walker Turner driver drill press that we also got for free and restored, but it's not finished completely yet. Still got some stuff to adjust and finish putting together on it. But yeah, that's pretty nice. Even though we already have a... Well, actually, we have a made in China one, but this one's... Focus. Okay, I can't hold that still enough. Phone camera. This one's made in the USA, so, you know. Yeah, I don't think we'd actually shown this new part of the shop yet in any other videos, so. Yeah, that's up to date in the shop. We also bought this yesterday and pulled it home today. Field cultimulture roller. And it has these on the front. And I'm not sure what my dad called them. I can't remember. But anyway, that's supposed to break up the soil a lot better than those back ones, and the back ones roll it down. So, that's nice. We've wanted one of these for a while. So, got one of those. So how come you're not making this video?
I am too busy. And you're making it.
Yeah. Hello, Father.
Whoa.
What's new and exciting that you would like to say to your YouTube friends?
I'm testing out this new type of cow I've been breeding. They grow long hair for the winter time, but then when springtime comes and it gets too hot to be wearing that long hair, you don't need to clip it. It's self-clipping hair. You just need to wipe it off the cow. And my experiments have become very successful. I'm almost ready to file for a patent. And once I get that patent, I mean, you kids can retire because we'll be richer and we know what, a little more money and we know what to do with. Self-clipping cows, I mean, what do they think of next?
I don't know, that's pretty high tech.
What do I think of next?
Yeah.
I just hope your kids know what a wonderfully smart dad you have, and they're thankful for that.
Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to hear you.
Hello, Mother. What's new and exciting with you?
Hello, everyone. Not much exciting. Very thankful it's spring and the snow has melted, and I'm thankful for some rain that we've gotten recently because we need the moisture.
And more tomorrow.
Yeah. Hope everyone, wherever you are, you're enjoying the change of season in your respective locations. Still working at NASCO and trying to help that business keep up with the business that we're getting with the short staff that many businesses are suffering right now with the lack of help, and people need to get back to work and help the economy, help the country, help the people of this great land. Did a little bit of cleanup work this afternoon, trying to get some dirt and leaves that had piled up, got that down to my compost pile. Otherwise, pretty much day to day, milking the cows, going to work, coming home, getting some rest, milking the cows, thinking about the garden.
Yup.
I want to encourage y'all too, if you've got a little bit of land, raise some food this year. I'd encourage you to do that, even if it's just a little plot. Put a little food in the ground. And not sure what else. Thank you for watching, and sorry it's been so long since we put our faces out there for you. But we appreciate your sharing any of your time with us. I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to add something.
It wasn't started.
Hey, that make a pretty funny scene.
I just wanted to add to my earlier thoughts that I would be extremely remiss if I did not thank God for bringing us through another winter with ample food and supplies for our cows. We do not take that for granted, and He is faithful to provide for us year after year and to provide for the cows that He created. So I just wanted to get on here publicly and thank God for bringing us through another winter, because now we look forward to growing feed and not having to buy as much hay as we do over the winter. We're always very thankful for God supplying people from whom we can purchase hay, always connecting us with the right people. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you, just how much God blesses us each winter to bring us through it with food for our animals. So that's all. Thank you.
I think that's... We'll leave you with George's extreme basketball skills. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.